Dreaming of becoming a nurse? Here's your step-by-step guide to making it happen. Step 1. Complete high school with a focus on science courses. Biology, chemistry, and anatomy are key. Join health science clubs and volunteer at hospitals for early exposure. Step 2. Enroll in a nursing program, ADN, BSN, or diploma. ADN programs take 2 to 3 years. BSN programs take about 4 years. Research and choose the right path for you. Step 3. Gain clinical experience through internships and practicums. Hands-on experience in various departments helps you choose your specialty. Step 4. Pass the NCLEX exam. Prepare thoroughly with study guides, review courses, and practice tests to ensure success. Step 5. Apply for state licensure and start your nursing career. Each state has its own requirements, so check with your state's nursing board. Consider advancing your career with a master's or doctoral degree. APRNs like nurse practitioners and nurse anesthetists have specialized skills and earn higher salaries. Your nursing journey starts now. Subscribe for more nursing tips and insights.